Hello lovelies, welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi and thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be sharing another recipe with you and I'm sure you're going to love it. Today we're going to make cow foot soup. Yes guys. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner. Je suis Kayi, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Si c'est votre première fois sur ma chaîne, je partage mes recettes favorites sur cette chaîne. Aujourd'hui, je partage la recette de la soupe aux pâtes de bœuf. Et voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour préparer notre soupe. Et bien sûr, je vais l'accompagner avec du riz. Si vous êtes nouveau sur ma chaîne et vous ne voulez pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos, n'oubliez surtout pas de vous abonner s'il vous plaît. Activez votre cloche afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. Let me know what you're going to pair this soup with. And for today's recipe, these are all the ingredients we're going to need. This is the cow foot. I already clean it properly with lime, oil, 1 teaspoon of basil, sage. Here we have the blended ginger, garlic and onion, tomato puree, 2 cups of rice, 1 onion, 2 Scotch bonnets, some peppers, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and chopped tomatoes. But you can use fresh tomatoes as well, that's absolutely fine. Here is our cow foot. And now we're going to start with the cooking. J'ai bien nettoyé les pâtes de bœuf avec du citron. Là, je vais ajouter tous les autres ingrédients. So guys, I'm going to add now the blended ginger, garlic and onions. First step, we have to clean the cow foot properly with lime and then add all the ingredients. So now I'm adding basil, a little bit of sage. Once you add everything, just add a little bit of salt, yeah, and cover it up. Time to time you need to check it, you need to keep eye on it if the cow foot is as tender as you want. So now I'm going to cover it up and let it cook properly. Alright, let's check how it's cooking. Yeah, it's looking good. Just stir it. I'm going to add more water because it takes lots of water to cook, and I like my cow foot tender. I'm gonna leave it here for another 25 minutes. After adding more water, I'm just going to let it cook properly until the meat is tender, and then I'll start with the soup. The skin is very tough, so you just have to let it cook until it's very tender. That's how I like it before starts making the soup. I cook it like 40 minutes so far. I'm going to leave it here for another half an hour and then it should be soft enough for me to start preparing the soup. Donc là, comme la peau est tellement dure, là c'est sur le feu il y a 40 minutes déjà, mais je vais encore laisser cuire pendant 30 minutes et je crois qu'à ce point ce sera vraiment comme je veux parce que j'aime pas que ça soit très dur avant de commencer par préparer la sauce. Donc je vais laisser ça ici pendant 40 minutes. Il y a 50 minutes déjà, mais c'est pas encore prêt, donc je vais laisser ça pendant 20 minutes max et là ce sera vraiment comme je veux. Donc guys, keep adding water. Yeah, I've been cooking this for 50 minutes now, so it's not quite tender the way I like it, so I'm going to leave it here for another 15 to 20 minutes. You can see the fork can easily go through it. I'm I'm going to start making the soup now. Là, la viande est tendre comme je veux. Donc maintenant, je vais commencer par préparer la soupe maintenant. Adding your onions, let it heat up for 3 to 4 minutes and then add the tomato puree. And after 3 minutes, add all the blended ingredients. I'm going to add the blended garlic, ginger and onion, all-purpose seasoning. Let this cook for 10 minutes and then we're going to add the broth and a little bit of water. At this stage, just taste it and see if everything is the way you want it. If you need a little bit of salt, then add it. In this case, it's perfectly fine for me. I'm going to add the meat now. Give it another 10 minutes and our soup will be ready. Okay, at this final stage now, I'm going to add a little bit of onions. You guys know I love onions. And bell pepper. Just leave it for 5 minutes and our soup will be ready. If you are familiar with this channel, you know that I love my onions a lot. So that's why I have to add a little bit more to it. I'm very satisfied with the soup and I'm going to serve it now with my rice. Let me know what you're going to pair this soup with. Guys, please do me a big favor. Try this recipe, comment below later what you think. I'm definitely sure it's going to be another one that you're going to love. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Kindly subscribe if it's your first time on this channel and I'll see you very soon. Take care for now. Bye. Et voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. Si cette recette vous a plu, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un pouce bleu. Abonnez-vous si c'est votre première fois et activez votre cloche afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. À très bientôt. Au revoir.